reason why I'm going to use my interlining is because the cushion itself it looks like bits and pieces of foam, so, and it feels as though it's going to go through it, so I'm going to make it a bit more softer. I'm going to get some lining and put lining between this. I'm going to interline it. That'll make it nice and soft. This is interlining because I am extra. I like it to feel cushiony. So interlining is going on both sides. I'll put my interlining on one side. I'm going to pin it to keep it still. Boy, do I give myself extra work. You can bond with this as well if you wish. Put my interlining on the other side. Boy, this is an expensive cushion, but it'll tell you what, it'll look nice and it'll feel nice when it's finished. So I'm going to do an opening on this side and stitch the zip in. Yep, I'll stitch the zip in. Oh, to keep it still, I might as well pin these down to the actual fabric. Now that the zip is put in, I decided to put in a longer zip because this is so thick as well. So now that the zip is put in, I'm going to now join the whole thing together. And I'm just going to show you the zip being put in. So here we now have the zip which is in. So that's that section. So that's what it looks like. And now we're going to turn it back inside out. There's the zip. I've done it this way. I've got another video out on how to put zip in. This is a different way, but this is just showing the zip. The shops do it, so if they can do it, I don't see why I can't. Right, so now let's flip it back over and let's join the whole thing up, and then we're finished. So you can do what you like. So I'm going to go now and stitch the rest up. Now it's finished. It's lined with scrap fabric, it's interlined, and you really need to feel the weight of this. This is really heavy. I just love it. Right, this is what I call worth the money, because you can pay quite a lot of money for cushions. 35, 45, 50 quid. I can't believe it. I even bought a cushion for myself for £35 as well, and just because I was lazy to make it, I just loved what I saw and I bought it. And then I thought how stupid I was. And I couldn't believe that I saw a cushion selling for £95. Would you believe it? It wasn't even as big as this. £95. That's ridiculous money when you think about it. £100, and you can make it yourself. Right. So here we are. We've finished, and now I'm going to put in the cushion. Oh, it really is thick. It really is. Feels good. It's something to hug. I'll take all the pins out. Now, bear in mind, when you're making it, you can do whatever design you like. I've done this one, and I suppose on my chair, I've got, I think it's 6 more to go. Right, so let's put this in. The reason why I put the interlining in is because I told you this is foam. Can you see it? All that stuff in there, and it's kind of bumpy. So I wanted to make it nice and smooth. So that's why I interline it. You don't have to interline it. You could put lining if you want. It just ups the quality. And I didn't really need to change the zip, but I just wanted to. Yeah, you can make use of what you got. Now, here's your cushion. You can do any designs you like. So there it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. And there it is. As you can see, I didn't bother to do that. I'm running out of time. And I just wanted to show you the basic. You can do what you like with cushions. There it is. A nice new cushion. It really does feel good. I hope you've learned a lot. It's not that I hope. I know you've learned a lot. Cushions are so simple. You know, anybody can do it. It's just what you do to make it interesting, and the work that you put into it. That is an expensive cushion. And oh, by the way, do you remember? I'll show you where the joinings are, if I can find it myself. Right, that is a join there, and yeah, this one here, that's where it's joined, going all the way down. So you can do it as much as you like. Don't forget, this is scrap material. This curtain here, I've made curtains from it. There was 2 pairs for a customer, and these are the leftovers, right? So you don't need to throw away. I've got loads of leftover fabrics, but it's just laziness. Not laziness, I'm busy doing other things to make it. But look at that. That is an expensive cushion. You don't need to buy any more fabric. Just make use of your scraps, and I've showed you that. I've made a waist jacket from it, and I've showed you that. I love it. I think it's beautiful. I do, I really do. Anyway, so now what I'm going to do is, on the making of this, I'll show you on another video what I do to tie this up. So I'll do this pattern and make use of it here. And then maybe I might do different types of cushion as well. And then I'll show you the whole range in between jobs, that is. So thank you for watching my show once again. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please do tune in to all the other videos that I've got. I have 89 videos on YouTube. This will make 90. Please watch them all. You will learn something from them. Thank you. Bye.